Hi, students. It's me again. Just wanted to check in and share with you some big news that I've got. Families, you're welcome to listen too. You're a part of this process, so this is for students and families. Students, you are getting so close to the end. And I know that this year did not go the way we planned it, not even the way I planned it. And that's okay. But we do know that fourth grade is coming. We know that you're only a few days away from finishing your third grade year. We also know that even though things didn't go as planned, you're still growing, and growing is still the number one goal here. This message is not easy for me to record, but there's a lot of truth in it. And just like you're not done growing, adults have something else to share with you. Adults are never done growing either. Kind of like your hair. Growing means that we are constantly asking questions. We see challenges, and instead of running away from them or avoiding them, you run at them. That's the secret to true growth and true learning. You'll learn skills, you'll meet people, you'll ask questions, you'll be able to do things you never knew you could do as long as you continue growing. So for you, that means that over the summer, you are still running at some challenges in order to prepare yourself for fourth grade. And even in fourth grade, you continue to run at those challenges. So my big announcement is that I'm doing what you're doing. I've been in third grade for 12 years. And while some people may think that this is comfortable and safe and secure, I cannot be a true human and sit here and tell you to keep growing and you to keep challenging yourself and not do it myself. So my big announcement is that I've accepted a position at the CB Virtual Academy. Oh, even just saying it makes me a little nervous. It's big, it's intimidating, it's a lot of responsibility, and it's a lot of new things that I have not done in the past 12 years. But you know what? When I think about it, I get really excited. And I know that even though it's big and hairy and intimidating, I know I can do it. I know that I have a lot to learn. I know that I can run head on into this challenge and learn along the way. I don't need to have it all figured out ahead of time, and I don't need to stick to my plan that I always had. Plans change. People change. And you know what? You're going to change too. This does not mean that we will never see each other again. No, 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 no. No, that's fear talking. The truth is that I'll be at Fritz Elementary and you'll be at Leola, and I'll be visiting Leola to check in with my students who are a part of the virtual academy, and I will see you around. You also know the truth that you've got my email. That's not going to change. And you can send me messages and videos whenever you want. I also know that during times of change, it can be really helpful to hear from people who love you. So I'll be sending you messages over the summer as you get ready for fourth grade. And I really hope that you can promise to send me messages as I get ready for my big challenge too. I'm excited. I'm nervous. You probably know that feeling. It's like right before you step out onto stage or that big sporting event, that championship game, or you made something in the kitchen and it's that moment that everybody's just about to put it into their mouth. There's a lot of emotions wrapped up in this, and that's okay. This is going to be hard, and that's okay too, because that's where the magic happens. That's where the growing happens. Guys, we don't run away from that kind of stuff. You run at it. You run towards it. You grab all of your tools that you've got in your tool belt and you take it on. And if you don't succeed at first, you take it on again. You ask questions, you get help, you figure it out, and you go at it again and again and again until one day you're the expert. People are coming to you for help. So I'm excited to share with you that I'm moving on in my next part of my journey. I've accepted a new challenge. I'm ready for change. And I really hope that you are too.